Welcome to a quick guide on stopping those photos from automatically downloading on WhatsApp Web on your PC after the latest update. If you've ever opened WhatsApp Web and found your browser cluttered with images you didn't plan to save, you're not alone. The good news is this update makes it simple to control what gets saved to your device. Here's how to turn off auto download for photos so your screen stays clean and your data stays in your control. Start by opening WhatsApp Web in your browser and making sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the window where the chat list lives. This is your hub for navigation, so you'll find the settings there without needing to search through menus. From the left sidebar, click on Settings. This opens a new panel with several options tailored to how you use WhatsApp on your computer. You'll want to focus on the area that governs media behavior because that's where the automatic downloads are still lurking. Next, select Chats. Inside this tab, you'll see a subsection labeled Media Auto Download. This is the control center for what gets saved automatically to your device. It's organized by the type of media and the connection you're using. Now, you'll want to uncheck the Photos box. By removing the checkmark, you're telling WhatsApp Web not to download incoming photos automatically. If you prefer a more granular approach, you can also customize auto-download settings for other media types like audio, videos, and documents. But for photos specifically, unchecking this box is all you need. If you ever decide you want photos to download again automatically, simply return to the same settings area and recheck the Photos box. The change takes effect immediately, so you'll see the difference the next time you chat. This simple tweak helps protect your data, keeps your browser clutter-free, and gives you more control over what lands on your computer. It's a small update with a big impact on day-to-day use, especially if you share a computer or work across multiple devices.